Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a sketch that I got from this booklet. Probably didn't see it, but I went to the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. There was a retreat in August in California. And at that retreat, we got this booklet where several people had done some sketches, and Christina had put them all together in this book. And so I am using the Suzanna Lee's sketch is the very first one. And I'm also using this as part of the Secret Not Secret Kit Club party that we had in September. That this is also the sketch that Crafty Maggie was using, and I was scrapping along with her. And I did not cut out any of this video. This page took me around 35 minutes to complete. It was so fast. And it does help that I have beautiful products to work with. This is all from Pink Fresh. I don't know the background, the green. I want to say that is an older collection. It may be from the newer one. I don't know, but I did use BU a lot. So you'll see that here in just a minute. And of course, I have the photos of the twins again. They are wearing this peach colored, it looks really pinky here, but I really think it's more of a peach color. So that's why I chose this collection to work with. And the T-square really came in handy this time because I wanted everything to line up. The other thing that I use that I'm so glad that I have are those, let me see exactly what they're called. It is the Alphabet Alignment Guide. They are by American Craft, and I definitely needed it for this page because I put their name, which it ends up being kind of long. But anyway, so I'm pulling everything out that goes with this collection, and this is the letters that I'm using. They are cardboard stickers, and it's a mint green on top and kind of a copper color on the bottom. It's a little hard to tell on the in the video what's on the bottom. So the name of the girls is Olivia and Sophia, and whenever their mom put this on Facebook, the way that she titled it was, "It's Olivia and Sophia Day." So I'm thinking this is a day that they got to do or go places that they really wanted to go. And like most 4-year-olds, the place they want to go is to a fancy little donut shop. And the center photo, one of the girls has a donut, looks like it has like M&Ms all over it. Oh my goodness. The first photo is them looking in at the display of all the donuts. Oh my goodness. And then the second one is the one with the M&Ms on it, and then the third photo is them before they went. Now, they normally don't dress alike. Um, that's one thing I have to appreciate about my niece, and even the girls. I think that their own personalities shine through, but every now and again, they dress alike. For some reason, they did this day. Even the little purse going across the same shoulder, the little cat ears, everything. So I thought that was really cute. So this is where I'm so glad that I have that alignment guide, because once I had them all on there, it was so easy just to transfer them onto the page. It worked out beautiful. And so I only did their name in the mint green and the copper. In the other words, it's is going to go above it and day is going to go below it, which is already down there. And it is the mint green foam stickers that are by Pink Fresh. I think that's the only color that I got. It is a beautiful color. It is a perfect size. I really like these. I need to get more of those, that's for sure. I have to see what other colors they come in. So now I'm kind of looking for other embellishments. I know it's looking pretty nice so far, but I think it could use a little bit of oomph to it. So up there in the top left-hand corner, it's a foam sticker, and it says "Living It." Yep, they are living the high life today. And this piece of green cardstock, I think it was something that was left over, but I wanted it more as a foundation to put that puffy sticker on. Yeah, it was a puffy sticker. I'm not sure what I said before, but that's what it is. And then this leaf, and I kind of fiddle with it because I end up putting these little fringe tassel thingies on it too. That I don't know what those are called. I believe I only have 2 of those left, and I wanted to go ahead and get them used up if I could. They're not my favorite. I don't really like using stuff like that. I don't know why I don't like it. I just don't. But I wanted to go ahead and use it up because I know that if my cats ever got a hold of them, that would be the end of that. So I wanted to go ahead and see what I could do. So down there on the bottom left-hand side, it was like a little, label, and I put the name of the donut shop that they went to. And then that over there on the right is an arrow. It's black with the copper color, and it goes right by their name where it is. Now I do get some sequins. I use some peach color and some wood grain color. I got those from Spiegel Mom Scraps, and they match perfectly with this collection. You'll be able to see those in the close-up. All right, guys, thanks a lot for joining me today. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye-bye.